How to fix smart lock not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart your device, click power button and volume up button at the time, and you will see restart phone from here. So if you want to fix this problem, restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, scroll down and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here. You will see click on media DRM settings, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved. If it still not solved, again click on settings app, click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, enter your phone pin, click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix smart lock not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.